My name is Lori, and I'm with Falcon Outfitters. I'm the customer service and retail sales manager. And for the month of November in the store, we are offering a Thankful to be a Falcon t-shirt. They are $12.99, and $5 from every t-shirt sold goes to the BGSU Student Emergency Fund. We tried to tie into President Rogers' message that we are a public university for the public good. So for the month of November, we have the t-shirts, and we're just trying to give back to the university. The other promotion that we are running for the month of November is the student food drive. For anybody who brings in a donation to go to the BGSU grab and go food bag, we offer a 10% discount, so any non-perishable items are appreciated. Falcon Outfitters is here to support our community. We have this shirt in orange and brown, and $5 from every t-shirt sold goes to the BGSU Emergency Fund.